Welcome back to Black Thistle Forge. We got a surprise today. A week ago, I made 3 orders. One was for some knife steel and sourced locally. Well, not locally. I can't source any knife steels locally where I'm located at. But I ordered from within the United States. And today I just barely got a notification that they barely processed my order. And it took them a week to process it and begin to ship it. The other 2 orders, this one ordered from Sage Restoration in Canada at the same day, and this one I ordered from Blacksmith by Mike on Etsy. You can also find him on ancientsmithy.com. This came all the way from Kyiv, Ukraine, and they came a week later, in the same amount of time that it took a United States company to barely process an order. So let's see what we have. We have some packing peanuts. All right, just what we were waiting for. That is pine tar. So this is pine tar. This is raw linseed oil. Both of these are actually originally from Sweden by way of Canada. Now, just so you believe that this actually came from Ukraine, it says it right here. You can barely see it. Ukraine. So one country, Canada, has been unfairly sanctioned by the President of the United States. This country has been under attack by Russia for over 3 years, and these companies were able to still get me my product in 1 week when a US company just barely processed an order in the same amount of time. I won't name the US company because that'd be unfair to them. It's the first time I've ever used them, so I can't judge them, but it's also the first time I've ever used these companies. So you can see why sometimes it's better to buy your product locally or buy your product not locally. So I want to open this one up. I want to see what this one's all about. Packaged fairly well. If it's what I think it is, I paid between the shipping and for the product, for the tooling, I got 2 pieces for the amount that I would have paid for 1 piece here locally in the United States. It is. It's just what we're waiting for. So we got a Hammer drift from Ukraine, made from D2 steel. It's 1 and almost 3/4 inch, the widest, and about 1 at the narrowest by 1/2 inch and a little over 1 inch. Wonderfully made. Let's check this one out. This is an axe drift made from D2 steel, also made in Kyiv, Ukraine. Widest is 2 1/4 about by almost 1 1/8. 1 1/8 by just over 5/8. Beautifully made, as you can see. Can't wait to work with these. I'm excited to get them. Big shout out to Maxim in Kyiv, Ukraine, and Sage Restorations in Ontario, Canada. Thanks a lot for your customer service and your speedy delivery.